This is the Vision 2020 SIP Committee's third quarterly review. Our committee members are Catherine Mills, Juliet Vanderberg, Carter Elmore, Sue Lynn Spey, Caitlin Byers, and Catherine Keekline. Our InduStar indicators are A2.04 and C2.01. Google Certification Support. Google certification resources have been shared with teachers, and our Digital Learning Coordinator provides weekly training for IAs and teachers on Google certification. If you need any technology support with Google certification or just integrating technology in your classroom, please contact our Digital Learning Coordinator, Jennifer Underhill, at junderhill@wcpss.net. Digital portfolios. Grade level representatives have been attending digital portfolio training. All 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders have created digital portfolios during technology specials. Technology presentation to prospective IAs. Ms. Vanderberg shared with prospective IAs about technology present at the school and support available. Student Technology Survey. Students took a survey during technology specials. The survey showed that students prefer Chromebooks over all other devices. The data from the survey also displayed students' favorite programs as WordArt, Hour of Code, Google Slides, Google Maps, and Flipgrid. Technology update. Teachers will receive new laptops next school year. Upper grades will be getting Chromebooks for students. Someone from the county will be coming to our school to inventory all technology items. Next steps: training on digital portfolios, continuing to promote Google certification, and emailing Alexa ideas. Thank you for watching our presentation.